Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add photos in Capcut while editing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Capcut and click on import. So here you can see that I am editing a video. So let me select any picture. So this one. So now you can see that it is added. So you simply need to select and paste onto the video like this. You can make it smaller. So let me that I want to show here in that specific part of the video. So once you play, it will appear here like this. You can make it smaller or bigger from here as well. So this is the process how you can add photos in CapCut while editing. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.